What if the secret to losing weight wasn't running faster, lifting heavier, or starving? Yourself on another miserable diet? What if the answer was actually slowing down? Right now, millions of people are destroying their joints, burning out their willpower, and still not losing the weight they desperately want to lose. And the reason might shock you, They're working. Too hard, Today, I'm going to show you an ancient practice called Tai Chi walking. And by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why it might be the most underrated fat-burning method on the planet. Stay with me, because this changes everything. Let me take you back to ancient China. Over 1,000 years ago, deep in the mountain monasteries of the Song dynasty, monks and warriors practiced a moving meditation called Tai Chi. It wasn't just exercise. It was a complete philosophy of health, built on the belief that the human body loses fat, heals itself, and finds balance not through force, but through flow. Fast forward to today. Scientists, doctors, and fitness researchers around the world are finally catching up to what those ancient monks already knew. Tai Chi walking, a modern adaptation of traditional Tai Chi, is now being studied at Harvard Medical School, recommended by cardiologists, and quietly transforming the bodies of millions of people who had completely given up on weight loss. And the most beautiful part? You don't need a gym. You don't need equipment. You don't even need to leave your living room. All you need is this video and 10 minutes of your day. So let's break this down. What exactly is Tai Chi walking, and why does it burn fat? Tai Chi walking is a low-impact, rhythmic walking practice inspired by traditional Tai Chi movements. Every step is slow, deliberate, and intentional. Your arms swing gently in coordination with your legs. Your breathing becomes deep and controlled. Your core muscles stay quietly engaged the entire time. From the outside, it looks almost effortless. But inside your body, a fascinating chain reaction is happening. Here's the science. When you do high-intensity exercise, your body releases cortisol, the primary stress hormone. And cortisol, when chronically elevated, sends a very clear signal to your body: store fat, especially belly fat. This is why so many people exercise intensely for months and still can't shift that stubborn weight around their midsection. The very thing they're doing to lose fat is telling their body to keep it. Tai Chi walking works completely differently. The slow, mindful movements activate your parasympathetic nervous system, your body's natural calm and heal mode. Cortisol levels drop, insulin sensitivity improves, and your body shifts from fat-storing mode into fat-burning mode. At the same time, Tai Chi walking engages what scientists call NEAT, non-exercise activity, thermogenesis. This is the calorie burn that happens through everyday gentle movement. Research from the Mayo Clinic shows that NEAT can account for up to 50% of your total daily calorie expenditure. 50% from gentle movement. Add to that the deep breathing techniques built into Tai Chi walking, which increase oxygen flow, boost your metabolism, and activate your lymphatic system, your body's own internal fat-flushing network. And you start to understand why this practice is so extraordinarily powerful. It doesn't fight your body. It works. Watch it. Now, here are some facts about Tai Chi walking that are going to completely blow your mind. Fact 1. A landmark study from the University of California found that overweight adults who practiced Tai Chi for just 12 weeks lost significantly more belly fat than those who followed a standard low-impact stretching program without making a single change to their diet. Let that sink in. More belly fat lost. Zero diet changes. Fact 2. Harvard Medical School published a report calling Tai Chi medication in motion, highlighting its ability to regulate blood sugar, reduce inflammation, and improve metabolic function, all of which are directly connected to long-term weight management. Fact 3. Ancient Chinese medical texts from the Ming Dynasty describe Tai Chi practitioners as having bodies that resist the accumulation of flesh. Modern researchers now understand this is because Tai Chi uniquely balances the autonomic nervous system, directly addressing the hormonal root cause of weight gain. Fact 4. A study in the Journal of Physical Activity and Health found that just 10 minutes of Tai Chi walking produced measurable improvements in circulation, lymphatic drainage, and cellular oxygen delivery, all critical processes for fat metabolism. Fact 5. Tai Chi walking has a dropout rate of less than 5% in structured studies. Compare that to high-intensity interval training programs, which see dropout rates of over 40% within the first month. The best exercise is always the one you'll actually keep doing. Here's something I want you to really hear. The weight loss industry makes billions of dollars every single year telling you that losing weight has to be hard. It has to hurt. It has to be complicated. But that's simply not true. For over 1,000 years, before gyms existed, before protein shakes existed, before calorie-counting apps existed, human beings maintained healthy, strong, functional bodies through gentle, consistent, intentional movement. Tai Chi walking is a return to that wisdom, and it matters more than ever right now. Because we are living in the most stressed, most sleep-deprived, most cortisol-flooded generation in human history. Chronic stress is making us fatter. Chronic exhaustion is making us give up. And extreme exercise is making things worse for millions of people. Tai Chi walking is the antidote. It doesn't matter if you are 25 or 75. It doesn't matter if you have bad knees, a bad back, or zero fitness experience. It doesn't matter if you've tried and failed 100 times before. Tai Chi walking meets you exactly where you are, and gently, consistently, powerfully begins to change your body from the inside out. This isn't just exercise. This is healing. This is reclaiming your relationship with your own body. This is choosing a path that is sustainable, enjoyable, and genuinely effective. And you deserve that path. So let's bring this all together. Tai Chi walking works for weight loss because it lowers the stress hormones that cause fat storage. It activates the gentle daily movement that drives up to 50% of your calorie burn. It boosts your metabolism through deep breathing and increased oxygen flow. It flushes fat through your lymphatic system. And it creates a sustainable, enjoyable habit that you'll actually stick to for weeks, months, and years. This isn't a trend. This isn't a fad. This is a 1,000-year-old practice backed by modern science, practiced by millions worldwide, and finally getting the recognition it deserves. The ancient monks of China had it figured out all along. Slow down, breathe deeply, move with intention, and watch your body transform. Now it's your turn. I want you to try Tai Chi walking today. Not tomorrow, not next Monday. Today. Click the video appearing on your screen right now. It's a free beginner Tai Chi walking routine designed specifically for weight loss. No equipment, no experience needed, just 10 minutes of your time. And if this video gave you a new perspective on weight loss, please hit that like button right now. It helps this channel reach people who truly need this message. Drop a comment below telling me, would you try Tai Chi walking for 30 days? I read every single comment and I would love to hear from you. And if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button and the bell notification so you never miss a video like this one. Your journey to a lighter, healthier, happier body starts with a single step. Make it a Tai Chi step. I'll see you in the next video.